Let's see what else we have. Okay, few clamps. So this one, if you see, this one is 75 mm. This one is also 75 mm. Yeah, this two we have. So this is 3-inch 75 mm from Stanley. The model number is 83-033 G clamp. Okay, so it's like this. You can hold it something here. Maybe I'll use it for some of the steel work, not steel but carpentry job that I'm planning. 75 mm 3-inch. The build quality is good and this color is also good. It's not rusted anywhere, brand new it is. There is this like vibration here. Should I just remove this? Let's see what we have. So if you see this part, so this part is not fixed. Okay, and this is like made up of some plastic. This part, this is metal. Let's check the dimension. So it says 75 mm, so this should be 7.5, but here as you can see this is 9 centimeter actually. So maybe this would open till here, 7.5. Yeah, because this part also we have to consider, this extrusion. Yeah, so this from here, if you see carefully, from here till here it's 7.5 centimeter, this portion. In the full closed position, let's see the other dimensions. This one is around 9.3 centimeter, the width. The length, if we measure this way, it is 14.5. Yeah, 14.5 centimeter. From here, if we measure, let me measure from here, it is 17.5 centimeter. Yes. This part, or approximately 17.5 it is. This, if we check this part, this is around 9 centimeter or 8.9 centimeter. Yes, this is cool. Like this goes like this. And then like this. So this was the clamp from Stanley, 75 mm.